The machines are here. But they aren't taking your job, they're building your empire. Welcome to the future.
The world is changing, and traditional workspaces are no longer a safe haven for your financial future.
Robots aren't just here to work, they are here to change the speed of the game in their favor.
The first winner is the AI architect, the one who knows exactly how to command and manage the machines.
Next are the strategists. Where emotion and complex logic meet, robots will always fall short. And the physical technicians, those who maintain the very infrastructure of this new digital world. The secret to wealth in 2026 is blending your old expertise with new intelligent tools. The era of degrees is over. Today, your smart portfolio is what signs the biggest paychecks. To start, you only need 3 steps. Master the tools, sharpen your human skills, and build your brand. Investing in yourself is the only way to ensure no inflation can ever take away your value. At Economy Path, we give you the map. Subscribe now and don't get left behind by the new economy.
Stop fighting the machines. Instead, use them to amplify your human potential like never before.
In 2026, your language is your code. Mastering prompts is the ultimate key to high-income success. Creativity isn't dying, it's evolving. AI is the brush, but you are still the visionary artist. Even in healthcare, AI handles the data so humans can focus on what matters most: empathy. Your office is now everywhere. AI breaks the language barriers, making the global market your playground. AI-driven investments are the new compound interest. It's about working smarter, not just harder. Smart algorithms now act as your 24/7 financial guard, protecting your wealth from market volatility. Every piece of content you create is a digital brick in your future empire. Start building today. Financial freedom in the AI era means more time for what you love. It's a choice, not a dream. Meet the AI whisperers, the architects who know exactly how to speak the language of machines. In 2026, prompt engineering is the new high-income skill that turns ideas into reality. Then there's the empathy economy, roles that require a soul, something no robot can ever replicate. Psychology, strategic coaching, and leadership are now more valuable than any technical degree. A system error has occurred. Prescribing solution now.
But it really hurts. Can you understand that?
I can process your input, but I cannot feel pain or understand your intent.
That's the problem.
The third giants are the physical technicians, the masters who keep the robotic world running. From renewable energy to robotic repairs, hands-on expertise in the new world is a gold mine. These experts bridge the gap between heavy hardware and complex AI software.
These aren't just jobs. They are high-paying empires for those who master them early.
But how do you join them? The answer lies in a simple, golden formula. Welcome to the Wealth Formula. The secret is skill hybridization. Take your current expertise, the things you already know and do well. Now, mix it with cutting-edge AI tools to amplify your output by 10 times.
You don't need to be a coder, you just need to be an AI-augmented professional.
A lawyer plus AI can do the work of a whole firm. That's true power.
An artist plus VR design creates immersive worlds that were impossible before.
AI won't replace you. Someone who knows how to use AI will. It's about being faster, smarter, and more profitable than the competition. By hybridizing your skills, you become an irreplaceable asset in the new economy. So, are you ready to choose your path? Here is your exact roadmap.
You stand at a crossroads. One path leads to obsolescence, the other to the greatest gold rush in history.
Step 1. Master the AI tools in your specific field. Don't fear the machine. Use it as your superpower. Step 2. Sharpen your soft skills. Your empathy and creativity are things no robot can ever replicate. Step 3. Build your personal brand. In an AI world, being a trusted human authority is your ultimate safety net. The era of learning once is over. Today, the most valuable skill is the ability to unlearn and relearn fast. Wealth isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about the time freedom AI can give you. Don't let anxiety paralyze you. The best time to start your AI-powered journey was yesterday. The second best time is now. You don't have to walk this path alone. Join a community of forward thinkers who are building the future.
Don't get left behind. Join Economy Path and master the future of wealth. See you in the next video.